Deutschland, and it is raining. You can see the wipers wiping. It's raining. That's what the weather forecast is predicting for this afternoon, the testing. So that's going to be interesting. The Nordschleife, I've heard, is a brutal place in the wet. I've never raced it before in the wet, never even driven it before in the wet. So it's going to be literally back to square one again, learning all the lines, where the new bits of tarmac are with loads of grip are, where the old bits of tarmac are with no grip. Yeah, proper venture into the unknown. Good thing it's going to be dry for tomorrow by the looks of things, so looking forward to a dry quali to pick up where we left off from last time.
dir eins sagen, in dem Walkenhorst BMW Pittard, alter Vater, der ist mal richtig flott unterwegs.
Ja, guck mal, neue Bestzeit.
Neuer Spitzenreiter, es ist die Startnummer 36.
And also for a nice clean competitive race as well. So yeah, let's jump to the circuit. This is the Nurburgring I've been told about. Grey skies, lots of water. That'll make it exciting this afternoon. Everywhere I go, I can't help but see my face on the front of each programme, which is quite a cool feeling, I must admit. Ugh. Sorry, bud. It is race day here at VLN7, and this is the Eiffel weather I've been told about, but never really yet experienced. It's bloody freezing. As you can see, I've got my bobble hat on for the first time in a long time this year. But it's mainly, the main thing is it's dry. Practice yesterday was dry as well. It was very warm here on Thursday. It was 25 degrees. Then overnight it just dropped pretty much 12 to 15 degrees. And yeah, yesterday was bloody cold, and it's cold this morning. It's about 8 degrees this morning. So yeah, it'll be interesting. We're going to be running a lot softer compound tyre as a result of it, which is good. So we'll be running second to last in qualifying this weekend. And yeah, obviously hoping for a little bit more of last time. There might be a little bit more traffic slightly earlier on in the session I'm going, but yeah, we'll make the most of it and see what we can do. So here's the team getting all ready, lots of drivers, lots of cars, all ready to go nice and fast. So yeah, let's jump into qualifying now. So this is the beginning of the qualifying lap that I mentioned. Best spot qualifying session. It was about 9:30 spot. However, we get on to pass it back and clear up, which is very good. So setting one up to have the wood.
Abflug eines Porsche im Bereich gehalten. Und das wird dem David Pittard, ne, der ist schon durch. 3:03 hat er in dem Sektor gefahren. Wir hatten gesehen, dass der Manuel Metzger eine 3:00 gefahren hat, aber er ist noch durchgekommen. War kurz vorher durchgekommen, sehen jetzt das Auto da etwa Höhe Touristeneinfahrten kommen. Hinten im Hintergrund im Gallenkopf konnten wir sehen, dass ein Cayman abgeflogen ist. Könnte das Auto von Sorg gewesen sein. Schauen wir nachher nochmal rein, aber jetzt schauen wir erstmal darauf, was David Pittard, der Pole-Setter vom letzten Mal, der sich ja so wirklich herzerfrischend gefreut hat, das Interview danach, da geht mir auch das Herz auf, wenn ich das gesehen habe, wie froh und happy er war mit dieser Yacht über den Körper. Das ist immer so ein Zeichen, dass der Fahrer weiß, ich bin saugut unterwegs, ich bin schnell und das geht unter 8, da bin ich mir sicher. Schauen wir mal, David Pittard, letztes Mal 7:57 und jetzt 7:55,7, Hammer. Also dieser Junge, der kann was. Vor 3 Wochen hätte mir einer sagen können, kennst du David Pittard? Da hätte ich gesagt, mal gehört den Namen, kann aber da nichts zu sagen. Und jetzt haut der hier eine 7:55 raus. Wahnsinn.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Fucking boat! Fucking boat!
David, you're crazy. What did I say?
Holst du dir da vielleicht die ein oder andere Zehntel noch raus? Jetzt hier noch die letzten Meter. Da nochmal den Curb mitnehmen und dann Schwung mit raus auf die Start- und Ziellinie und gucken, wo bleibt die Zeit stehen. Aufpassen, da liegt dieser Pylon schon die ganze Zeit. Oh. Und dann sitzt man ganz vorne mit einer 7:55, 4:6,8, also nochmal richtig eine Zeit rausgehauen.
Bestzeit
car,
für die
pits me to pole and takes pole position, which is fantastic. As you
Guck
can
mal,
see,
jetzt hat er
I'm very
zumindest
pleased
den
with
Helm
him.
ab.
I'm
Das
very
ist
pleased with the team.
Jordan Tresor.
Particularly
Das ist
inside.
Dave Pittard, der gratuliert auch. Jordan, great lap. Tell me something about it.
Yeah, the car was just incredible. The lap was almost free. I think I never had a Nordschleife lap so clear. It was just amazing.
Hunter Abbott 7:55,4. 7:55,5
So it turned out to be one
für
of the
das Wochenspiegel Team
closest
Monschau.
qualifying sessions of the year and one of the fastest
1,21
as
Sekunden der
well.
Rückstand
Top
für
4 covered by 3/10 of a second.
Jochen Krumbach, Oliver Kainz und Georg Weiß. Platz 3 geht an.
One of the fastest sessions we've seen all year. Mad.
So that is the start of the grid done. So to give you an update, we are P4, which was really, really good. The session was super fast. It's some of the fastest times that we've seen in the VLN this year. 3 cars, all in the 7:55s, covered by 3/10 of a second, which is mad. So unfortunately we ended up 4th, which I was a little bit disappointed with, having held pole position for roughly 20 minutes of the session before I was pipped in the last minute there. Super happy with my lap. I managed to hook it up, have a clear lap, and also go nice and fast as well. So yeah, feeling racy, which is really good. Andreas is starting the race. I'll be in 2nd, and then Anders will be in 3rd. So yeah, we'll see how we get on, see how the pace is going. Andreas did his fastest lap ever around the ring this morning. So hopefully we should be in a good position for Pro-Am honours. But yeah, we'll see how we get on. So yeah, we'll update you throughout the race.
Behind the Black Falcon Mercedes, Maro Engel, Hubert Haupt and Manuel Metzger, and the second of the Walkenhorst BMW Z6. This is Andreas Siegler, David Pittard and Anders Buchart. The safety car is pulled into the pit lane. We're waiting for the top of the hour. BMW Empire, it says on the starting gantry, but it's a Ferrari that stuck its nose into the lead of the race, and it's got about a 5-car length advantage as the Black Falcon Mercedes tries to go down the inside. It's green and it's on the green stuff, it's on the grass, down to the first corner. It's going to tuck back into 3rd, becoming 4th place. It looks as though the Team Monschau Ferraris got a brilliant start and up into 3rd place for the 2nd of the cars from the team.
A new fastest lap of the race to number 36, the other Valkenhorst Motorsport car. David Pittard has just done an 8 minutes 1.104, Bruce. So he's knocked Maro Engel's time, not necessarily into a cocked hat, but 2.5 quicker than Maro Engel for David Pittard at the wheel of the Valkenhorst BMW. That is a quick car, number 36, currently lying in 12th place overall.
Yeah. David's doing an increasing number of VLN events, getting some really, really good race mileage. That's very impressive. Bear in mind, I'm sure that was Norbert Siedler getting out of the 31 Fricadelli Porsche. We know he's sharing with Lance David Arnold, but I was looking for a helmet with more red and white on it. Only had a short
race. I then seem to then go absolutely able to mix it with the big boys. You can see here what was left of the tyres. So yeah, pace is there, but not quite a result together. So looking forward to the next one. I then jumped on the plane, headed back home to Donington.
For the final round of the British GT Championship, this 2-hour encounter will be held in dry conditions and in sunny conditions as well. I'm Martin Haven, alongside me, Andy McEwen and GT driver David Pittard. Now, and later, David Pittard, what about for drivers? We focus on the fact that it all comes down to sorting out the last points at the last gasp, but in fact, every race this season has only served to get you into a potential championship contending position, hasn't it? So, does it change the mindset when you get to the end of the championship and there's a battle?
Yeah, points mean prizes ultimately, and the guys that are in it to win it this weekend have performed consistently across the year. Now they don't have to think about maybe not risking. I think a prime example of this was the Optimum car last weekend. Johnny, in his post-race interview, said he didn't want to risk taking the lead because he didn't need to, but potentially in this situation he's going to try and grab each and every point that he's got.
Well, we're looking here at Flick Hague, one of the title contenders, and they are leading the